So I'm start piecing together my coupon. I have to get a store, a deal, expiration date, some photos, some kind of scannable item, and then put everything on the phone. All right. Looking around at some stores. I'm thinking either maybe doing like Rogue. They sell like workout equipment and barbells and whatnot, some apparel. That might be an option for me to go with one of those. Thinking ESAB. They make some pretty sweet welders, plasma cutters. Those are always be fun to shop for and get. Thinking that. 8 mountain bikes I'm thinking too. Not sure where to go. I might go just the ESAB route just because it's kind of what I'm looking at. But I definitely want to have the store logo in on a deal. So I might have to search for that logo. And if I just go ESAB and I go logo, and I'm able to find them. But remember before, if I go to tools, sorry, yeah, tools, and I want to go images, tools, there it goes, size large. And I want to find one that I can kind of work with. Maybe, oh, fun, a chopper. I love ESAB. If I pick like, this one seems to be the largest picture, kind of dark, oh, kind of a brighter looking one. Transparent, and let's try that one. Click on it. I'm gonna right click. Here, look at numbers. 24 by 2400. 2400 divided by 300 is what? This is about a 6-inch by 6. Nope. 7, 8. 8 by 8-inch. It's 8 times 324. That's a pretty big logo. I'm gonna save image as. I'm gonna call it ESAB one logo, transparent, downloads, got it. Go to my Pixlr. If I go open image, downloads, ESAB, open, select all, edit, copy. I'm gonna close that and say no, edit, paste, drop it in. It's way too big. I go to free transform. I can shrink this down quite a bit and kind of have it be like the focal point of my coupon. And go a bit. I don't want to make it too distorted. I'm going to kind of keep the same proportions of that logo and say yes. If I want to fill the rest of the background with this yellow, for instance, I can do that. If I can match this color, and I can, watch here. The tool is called the eyedropper. It's a color picking tool. If I pick this color of yellow, it found it. There it is. Over here in my layers, this is all empty space. See it? It's empty. If I take some paint in a paint bucket and pour it in that, it fills it. But that small little gap, I'll fill it again. I missed, didn't I? Zoom in on that. Let's paint bucket that small little gap. Alright, there. Then I can zoom back out. Alright. My background is ready for my e-coupon. What next? I gotta figure out the store I got, okay? The deal, I'll get that thought about. Expiration date, thought about. Pictures. Pictures are easy, because here I can go under, I suppose, products. I want to get maybe some we'll go welding equipment. Ooh, welding automation robotics. Hey, there we go. Maybe want to have like a submerged arc welding, underwater welding. Oh, fun. So I'd want to find laser beam welding. I like that one too. I'd find the product I want to have the deal on, get a good picture of it, bad pictures here, and have it part of my deal. How? Same thing, right click, save image as, bring it in, work with that. But the idea is to kind of work slow process. Use your text editing stuff you learned from previous projects to get a deal written about. So kind of these three you should be pretty okay with. Adding photos, getting text, okay? The scannable one here too, we'll go back here again. I'm just gonna go free online, not code 33. I may want a QR code. What's a QR code? I'll show you. QR code generator. All a QR code is stands for quick reference code. Those are these ones. What I'm going to do is to make it more correct, I'm going to go to this website. If I go back a screen, I just go and copy that web address, come back, and I'll paste that web address. There it is. I can now right click this, save image as, downloads. That's fine. Come back here. I can go, what do I do? Alright, open downloads, new one from today. Select all, edit copy. I'm going to close it and say no, edit paste. And then of course I could free transform it as big as I want, small as I want, put it where I want. Okay, there for now. Am I done? No. Hit yes. But now watch here. That yellow is kind of neat, but that white I have is kind of annoying. Where is? It's pan over here. Okay, I want this white to also be yellow. Well, I have my color picker. Pick the yellow. Pick the paint bucket. Pick my QR code layer. Okay. Oops, don't do that. Undo that. And I'm going to paint just the white. So then it blends in. I'm going to go undo. What happens is up here, I'm too picky. I said only 21 shades color. I'll be more lenient. How about within 50 shades of that white? Try it again. Better. Still a small sliver here. And all the inside stays white. Undo that. Let's try 60 shades. And then here, thing called contiguous. It means near or next to. If I undo that, it'll paint anything on this surface that is white, regardless of where it is. I like it. There it is. I'll zoom out. Okay. So I have two things. My name, the QR code. I can get my text written here. That's easy to do. And all that stuff. But when we're all done, what we'll do, we're going to go to, we'll go to layers. We'll flatten the image down. So now it's all one layer. Okay. This is not, but if I had this as my phone, what you would do is, here is, let's call it screenshot, documents, sure, why not? So you take your actual picture of your phone, okay, and you take your coupon and you would select all, edit copy, switch to your, where's it at? There it is. Switch to your picture of your phone and paste your picture of your phone, edit free transform, shrink this down, shrink it down a ton, don't we? Wow. Shrink it down, and I'll spin that, shrink it some more, We'll get it close and say yes, make my screen bigger so we can see it. Whoa, screen bigger so we can see it. And then we'll make this fit better. Oops, sorry. Why is it blurry? Because I took a screenshot of my phone. My screenshot is low resolution, and I put a high resolution image on a low resolution, and it kind of matches the same level of blurriness. Because if you go back here, much sharper, much crisper. Here, blurry. Oh well, works for this video purpose only. I'm going to take my coupon, keep free transforming it. I'm going to spin this so it kind of matches my phone's profile. So I'm looking at my phone. Here I have this line where I'm about the same as that. I'm still a bit too big, aren't I? So you gotta find that right level. I'm gonna plug this corner in. Got it. There I'm okay. Here I'm off, aren't I? So I'm gonna say okay to that. I might take my phone. Oops, get out of there. Take the level. Make it a little bit more see-through so you can see through the phone. And then now go to Edit, Free Distort, and kind of make it fit that phone by just pushing the corners around a little bit, pushing those in, pushing those down, pushing those up. So I'm getting closer to having it fit. And say yes. And then if I zoom out a little bit, it looks better. I'll make it a little more full power. So here it looks too fake. Here it looks too washed out. You may have to create a white rectangle to put it below your coupon. So it'd be a white rectangle covering your phone, and then put your coupon on top. Change your coupon's opacity to make it look a little more real, and then get a photo of this. This gets sent in. Alright, that's a lot for 2 quick short videos, but you got this. If not, I'm only a click away.